Hello, this is the video which you all probably have been waiting for or not, but if you've seen the video on the Nomatic Messenger Bag and on the travel pack, then you have been waiting for this one because I'm gonna move all my stuff from here to the Messenger Bag to give it a try for a couple of days. The Messenger Bag inside has this divider compartments, tech compartments, however you gonna call it. I will not use this one, but I use the bigger divider which it has inside. And let's get it started. The easy things first, there's my AirPods Pro. They go into this padded packing in the top. I like the size here because it's a little wider, so for a phone and when you want to charge it and have the cable inside, that's already a pro for this one. Short disclaimer, I already moved one of my keys to the key leash inside here, but I will show you later. When it comes to this compartment here, I can basically change that one-on-one because the system is similarly adjusted. So I will go this side first. This is the badge and the key for one of the restaurants. I will also move over the power cable. This is the one I use the most for my iPhone. Oops, let's get it on this side. Then I have the microfiber cloth. One key for one of the restaurants, which I don't use that often. And we have the RFID safe pocket. Where's my credit cards, passport, and it fits in here. I was surprised, didn't think so. And the other pouches had been empty, USB-C and power brick. And last but not least, face masks. So I have one compartment here which I have some space. And right now it's just tilting over, so let us close this so we can have it standing again. Everything is empty here now in the front part. Let us close this. And let's go to the mid part. Here it's going to be a little more tricky, I assume, out of the last video, because the pouches are assigned differently. So I have this mesh pocket here, I have only two on the side, and you see here the key leash. So we need to make sure that the zipper at the end is on this side, same as on the backpack. Leatherman search will go in here. I use this one right now where I can make like compartments if I need it. Right now I do not. The flashlight, I have no designated pocket now, so I will probably just add it to the search because I do not leave that often, so that should be fine. All this stuff which I have here, it's going to be like ball pens, toolkits, bits for the Leatherman search. Let's get that all together here. And a reserve AirTag. Always nice to have that one. Then I have a USB-C to USB-C cable for the SanDisk 1 terabyte and a USB-A to micro to adapter on Lightning, which I have from the Horizon backpack, from the suitcase. I've linked that video there. So, and then probably I would just leave that on the front too. So that's the part here. I think I have everything from this side now. Let's close that up. Then we have microphone, also put it on the side which I normally easily access when I turn it around. This is the Video Mic Me L, which I'm using when I'm having outside recordings. I have one AirTag in use right now in this one. I will not take that out for the moment because it's labeled also for the backpack, etc. So let's leave it like this. So, and then let's get this closed here. Ta-da-da. Let's get to the laptop compartment. So, I was always afraid that stuff will fall out right away, but it does not, as you see. It's not super tight, but that's why you have this Velcro there. 1, 2. Always sure that the pen is still there. And we are good to go here. What I'm basically missing is like a secret or a hidden package or hidden compartment. Would be nice to have something like with a zipper here or so, because right now I do not know where I should hide the AirTag. Probably I would just have to dump it in one of the compartments, but it was nice that with the other one you have like this secret pocket behind the padding here to put it. Yeah, so that's it for the moment. And let's leave it with a little comparison of size. I mean, if we do it like this, that's going to be the most fair comparison. And you see already that's a little bigger and a little thicker as well, if we just compare the two units. But nothing compared to the Peter McKinnon. I mean, that's a different kind of ball game. Yeah, that's all from my side for the moment. I will keep you updated. I will use this messenger bag for sure for 1-2 days minimum. Saturday I'm not working, so I probably will not have that in use, but I will definitely use it tomorrow and the day after. And let's see, I mean, I personally hate this happening here, because you always think like, was it left? Yeah, got the right. Just have it like this feels bad for the balance. Having like this, that's better, but probably need to make it longer, which is not possible here, but on the other side. So let's move that a little. Here we go. Yeah, something like this. But you see, that I'm 6'4". That's 192. That's I'm already big, but this is like unpleasant. There is the better spot, but it puts pressure here. So not sure yet. And as I said before, it's just giving it a try to give you some feedback on it. Personally, I don't think that this is going to be my go-to solution, and especially I was wondering why this solution is so special here with a nice clip, and here it's just being slopped through. Not sure yet what I'm going to think about it, and just oh no, nope, was an idea. Nope. So that's all from my side. I think if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this one, I'll leave a like. And if you want to see more content on Nomatic backpacks, travel packs, suitcases, whatever, just subscribe to the channel, and you can also see other stuff about having fun going to work and being more aware of your surroundings, which is a new video coming out today. So there will be one video here and a playlist probably there. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.